Hi, and welcome to 4-Minute Answers. We love Notion, but every once in a while you come across something that you wish Notion did that it doesn't do. For me, this was recurring tasks. But Notion now has solved this. Let's dig into it. Now, for most of us, we have recurring tasks in life. At work, maybe we have weekly or monthly reports to create or review. Maybe in our personal life, we need to plan a date night every week or to take the trash bins to the curb on Thursday nights. And perhaps our side hustle requires us to review our cash balances every Monday, our inventory on Wednesdays, and our marketing analysis report on Fridays. And if we use Notion as the place where we keep as much of our life organized as possible, and it contains all of our action steps or to-do lists, well, it used to be a challenge to handle recurring tasks. In the past, when you completed a recurring task, you wouldn't just check it off. You would need to manually change the due date to the next time the task was to be done. Now, Notion has fixed this, and here's how it looks. Now, I've created a sample to-do list, and at 10:20 every Monday, I've asked Notion to add a task to review cash balances for my side hustle. Now, keep your eyes on the list, and bam! At 10:20, a new to-do item was automatically created. Review cash balances. So how did we do this in Notion? Let's take a look at creating another recurring task. Review inventory midweek, every Wednesday afternoon. In your to-do database, or your actions item database, or whatever you call it, go to the blue New button right here on the right side, and then click on the down arrow. Here you can select Add New Template. Okay, now you'll create a page for your to-do. So let's say that every week I need to check my inventory of the 4 physical products that I sell. This is a template that I can use when I complete the quantity for each product. Remember, the title of this page will be the way it will appear on your to-do list. Now that you've created the template, you'll want to get out of it and then go back to that New button and the down arrow specifically and click on the 3 dots to the right of the inventory template that you've just created. Here, you can select Repeat, the frequency, and the time of day. Now for this, I have it repeated every Wednesday at 4 p.m. And you can see that you can set it as a daily repeating task, a weekly task, a monthly task, or an annual repeating task. And on my to-do list at 4 p.m. every Wednesday, this task will be added, and I can then click on it and complete this report. Easy. But what if your task is just a simple reminder, like update Fantasy League team on Thursday afternoons? Well, you still need to create a template page, titling it something like Update Fantasy League team, but you can leave the rest of the page empty otherwise. Since there really isn't anything else you need to do, then just get the reminder and then go to your app and make the updates. So now you click out of that page and then go back to the arrow next to New, click on the 3 dots, and set this to repeat every Thursday afternoon at 1. That's all there is to it. Just remember that every repeating task or item that you want to create will first need to be created as a template. And then in your action item database, you select the template you want to repeat and indicate the frequency of recurrence. And now you have repeating items on your to-do list. If you haven't started to use Notion yet, click the link below and get started with Notion for free. If this video helped, I hope you like it, and subscribe and watch for our other videos on how you can go from Notion novice to pro. By the way, you should check out this video right here.